Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use AirDrop without being in range on your iPhone. So let's open settings on your device, and now let's go to General section. So now go to AirDrop, and now you want to enable option Use Mobile Data under section Out of Range. So now, next time that you want to share, that you want to use AirDrop, that you want to transfer something via AirDrop, it will continue over your cellular data if you out of range. So that's how it works. But the most important requirement for that is that both users must have cellular data enabled for AirDrop. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.